Hey folks, I want to welcome you back to the farm. We got our pig back from the processor. Filming this on Friday, you'll see it on Saturday. I got it yesterday. And I'm going to go over some stuff we got, and I have to say it's a new owner. That's where we've always been going, but it's a new owner. And I'd have to say we had a really good experience. They did everything we asked. We met the owner's daughter when we went in there. The owner brought our stuff out, and he's a fantastic guy, real nice. The lady that chewed me out, we met her, and she's a little different from the boss, so I'll say that. But well, we got our cuts back. I'm really pleased with everything. They vacuum packed everything except for the sausage, and I'll show you that in a second. And this is all USDA inspected, so. And the reason we did that, and it costs a little extra, we want to sell our sausage because we can't eat it all. Of course, we figured we'd have 2 pigs. The one pig's still in the pen and haven't been processed yet. And so we got about, here's the sausage. These are 1 pound to 1.2 pounds. And they got a little label on them. So I think we got like 55 of these. And if we'd got, of course, if we'd had 2 pigs, it'd been more doubled, you know. But we'll be selling these at the farmer's market and at our farm stand. This one is 1.15, so they're 1 pound to like 1.25 pounds, and we're cheaper than Walmart actually. But we haven't tasted it yet. We're going to fry some of it tomorrow, and we'll see how it goes. Here's our pork chops, vacuum sealed. They put 2 to a pack. We got boneless, of course. And of course we could sell these if we wanted to. They put a label on them. And this is half a pound. Of course this is probably our, as a whole, family-wise, all 5 of us, this is our favorite cut. And then this year we had our bacon sliced. And I'm going to try some different curing methods on it. And we might even try to do it uncured, I don't know. But, I mean, it really came out really good. I think last time I had it whole, and I tried to cut it myself. And I don't know if I can cut it the right way, but this right here is beautiful. Beautiful bacon, look at this. And we got 10 packs of this, which is about a little over 10 pounds. And I mean, this looks fantastic. I should have brought one. This is the small, this would be the smaller end. There's some in it that's a little bit bigger. I should have brought those. But I'm really excited about our bacon and our pork chops. Of course, we got our shoulders. We got them cutting, you know, different sizes. This is a 3-pounder. And basically we put these in a crock pot and make barbecue, like pulled barbecue out of these. And we also did we did our ham and roast. And I don't know exactly, that's the only thing we don't know about what to do with is the ham. We had some of it in roast and some of it sliced. So I wonder if I can just grill this kind of like a pork chop or something. And, or smoke it or do something with it. So we're gonna figure this out though. If you know anything to do with these, you know, like a ham slice, it's a whole ham slice. It's a beautiful ham, look at this thing. You know how to cook it, or maybe some way we can cure it. I've got talked to a guy in Kentucky that runs a butcher shop, and he's going to tell me, he's going to send me the stuff on how to cure the bacon. And they do the ham too, but his ham's sliced thinner. What I would like to do with one of the roasts is maybe smoke it and cook it a little bit, and then we have like a meat slicer, slice it real thin, and eat it with my eggs, and eat it on a sandwich, stuff like that. So I'm gonna try that with one of the ham roasts. The ham roast kind of looks like this in a way. Or let me go see if I can find one of them. Ham roast. Got pork ham roast. And it don't have a whole lot of fat. Well, this is a beautiful ham. I should have, after I seen it, I kind of thought, well, maybe I should have saved that. That thing's cold. I can't hold it. Maybe we should have just done it whole and try to cure it and smoke it. But I don't really have any way to. No, I don't have a. I don't have a smokehouse or anything like that. I don't know. I need to come up with something about that. Worst case of worst, we'll turn it into barbecue or something. And I'll make a Dr. Pepper ham. What if we can do that? Dr. Pepper ham. Well, like I said, everything we know what to do with except for the ham. I can't remember what we did with the last one. Anyway, I'm not really in the cooking department anyway. She does most of that, but I'm kind of anxious to taste the sausage. When the people had it before, it was absolutely to die for. Don't gonna have a lot of fat. You know, it's not got no fillers in it. It's just all pork, and it cooks up really good. It's good. It's got a real good flavor to it. We got the mild. I wouldn't mind having some hot, but nobody would eat but me, so that's why we just keep the mild. Anyway, so that's the lowdown on our one pig. The other pig's still in the pen, and I tried to get a processing date while we was there, and owner talked like he's going to give us one. He said you can't squeeze one pig into anything. I mean, to me it's not. Don't seem like it'd be that big of a deal, but I'm not in that kind of business. And so hopefully they said to call back in the middle of September and see if we can get it in there. So this one's dressed out. Hanging weight was 173 pounds. We probably got 120 something pounds of meat. So it's pretty good. It was a pretty good pig, and I think this one's a little bigger. So, and you pay a minimum anyway, so you might as well get as big as you can. He said that last week somebody brought in one that weighed 45 pounds. And he said, "You sure you want me to kill this? Because it's going to cost $200 and something." And I think he said he got 9 packs of sausage and some little pork chops, about that big. So he was telling us that story. It's kind of funny. And a real nice guy. I'm real happy with it. So anyway, if you have any questions, comments, or give us some direction on this ham roast or those ham slices, I think we put one on the grill and it tastes like a pork chop, if I remember right. But it's been so long since we had one. I don't know why we got such a long gap here. You know, you get busy, and I think doing that retired and all that. So anyway, the one pig, I think I'm gonna build a trap or a box, put a trap door on it, and sit down there. Then we'll start feeding it in that, so it'll get going in there. We're just gonna throw the food in there and then walk away, and that way it won't be so skittish. It's very skittish, and so it'll go in there and eat, and I'll just leave it in there. Maybe, hopefully I'll get a little warning, like a 2-week warning or something like that for the processor, and so I can start that little process. And it's really not, I'm not feeding it real heavy right now, so feed wise, I ain't too much worried about that. I could feed it for almost a whole month for $10. All right, so here you go. Have any questions? Leave a comment down below. Any directions, leave it down below. I can answer all comments, emails. Send me an email, I'll answer it. Give us a thumbs up. Support your local farmer. Hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you down here in the, hope everybody has a good Labor Day. When you retire, these holidays don't mean that much. It just means everybody's at home, which means I have to feed them more. Anyway, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you down here in the farm next video. Oh, and support your local farmer.